Ranchi, City of Waterfalls. Ranchi is the capital city of Jharkhand, a state located in eastern India. It is situated on the southern part of the Chota Nagpur Plateau and is surrounded by hills and forests, giving it a picturesque and scenic environment. Ranchi is known for its pleasant climate and is often referred to as the City of Waterfalls due to the presence of numerous waterfalls in the region. Here are some key aspects and features of Ranchi. History. Ranchi has a rich historical background.